Hello, I'm here with, what's your name?
Noah.
All right, and is this your first time at Dell'Osso Farms?
Uh-huh.
And why don't you tell me about your favorite part of Dell'Osso Farms?
When we got to go to Tiny Town, there was all sorts of fun obstacles and all kinds of cool stuff there.
Is there something we haven't done yet that you want to do?
Yes.
What?
There's this big slide, and I think it's one of the ones where you get on this little bag thing, and you roll down the slide.
Oh, that sounds good. Do you know what you're going to be for Halloween this year?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to be?
I don't know what it is, but I know the costume.
Can you explain it?
It's like a white costume with long claws, and yeah.
That sounds pretty neat. Is there anything else you want to do this spooky season?
Trick or treat.
You want to trick or treat? Do you have a favorite Halloween movie?
That's weird because it literally is trick or treat.
That's very good. Alrighty, thank you for this interview.
Bye.
I'm right next to you.